In today's video, I will walk you through how to export customer data from Stripe. To get started, head to the Stripe website and access your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. Find and click on Customers. This will open a list containing all of your existing customers. After the customer list appears, move your attention to the upper right corner of the page. There, you'll see an Export button. Click on it to begin the export process. A menu will appear with several date range options for the customer data you want to export. You can choose from options such as today, current month, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, last month, all, or a custom range. Select the date range that matches the customer data you want included in the export. Once you've selected the date range, click on the Columns drop-down menu. This section allows you to choose which fields will be included in the exported file. Review the available options and select the columns you want to export. After choosing your preferred date range and columns, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and click Export. Stripe will begin processing your request. Depending on the amount of customer data being exported, this may take a few moments to complete. When the export is ready, the file will automatically open on your computer. At this point, choose where you would like to save the file, browse through your folders, and select the location where you want the exported customer data stored. Once you've chosen the destination folder, click Save. The file will then be downloaded and saved to the location you selected. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported customer data from Stripe. Whenever you need an updated customer export, you can repeat the same process by returning to the Customers section, choosing your preferred date range and columns, and exporting the file again. Thank you for watching, and that's how to export customer data from Stripe.